Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Andrea Brunell and I'm going to be your instructor for the next 6 weeks for Introduction to Early Childhood. So welcome to the class and I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you. So for this class we're going to look a little bit through the history and philosophy of early childhood education and also look at educational theorists. We're going to be using the NAEYC standards. If you're not familiar with NAEYC, that's the National Association for the Education of Young Children. And you will see each week that there will be course competencies and learning objectives, and these are all based on NAEYC standards and competencies. So you might want to take a look at that each week. You'll see it in the overview for each week. A couple things that you're going to want to remember is that this course does require an observation, so you should keep that in mind. You may want to go ahead and arrange that field work right at the beginning of the class because there have been students who have run into issues trying to get that arranged and waiting too long. Let you know, as you probably know already, you're required to participate in week 1. I will accept late work 1 week late. There is a penalty for that, but any assignment that you can't get in, make sure you hand it in at least by the end of the following week so you can get some credit for it. And also keep in mind that there's no late work allowed in week 6. So these courses are really, 6 weeks is a really abbreviated time period. So make sure that you keep up with your work. And if something comes up, if you have something happen that's really preventing you from getting your work done, please reach out to me. If you look in the introduction, it's in Meet Your Instructor, you will find my phone number, my office hours, and if you email me, I will typically get back to you within a few hours. So I'm very available to you if you need some help. Also, keep in mind that each week you're going to be given an opportunity to use different ways to demonstrate your learning. So with regard to the discussions, I encourage people to try to do a video discussion every once in a while. It helps us get to know each other better. Also, with your assignments, you will often have an option of using Prezi or Google Slides or whatever kind of presentation tool you can come up with. Check with me if it's something that's not on the list and just to make sure it's okay. Keep in mind that if you're going to be using a PowerPoint, VoiceOver is also required with that. And that all of your work for this class really should be in APA format, which means all of your written assignments should have in-text citations and references in APA format, and the paper itself should be in APA format with things like a cover page. So those are just the real basics. I wanted to make sure you all knew that the text required for this class, the information is in your syllabus. If you have any difficulty getting the textbook, please let me know right away because you really will need the textbook. Otherwise, I really look forward to getting to know all of you better over these next 6 weeks. And remember, I'm here to help you out. If you need any support in making sure that you're understanding what you're learning, let me know. If you have any issues that come up over the next 6 weeks also, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, looking forward to getting to know you better, and welcome to the class.